So this is a glass and it's a metal attachment which has been adhered using an adhesive, which is infrared based adhesive, and I am just trying to remove this attachment because I need this glass clean so that I can create a new base for this. This is another attachment. I need to remove this as well. So how can we do this? Let's try heating it up, because when you heat it up, the adhesive will lose its strength and leave the glass. So I have this small candle, and I will try to use this candle to heat it up.
मेरा मेडल उधर लॉक हो गया हमेशा के लिए.
Let's see how it goes after 5 minutes. Let me clean it a bit with soap. Now it is better. It is really dirty. If you look closely, there are spots like here. I'm not sure it is visible on camera or not, but I can clearly see there is a difference. That means adhesive is losing its ability.
So
let me try to. Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Here you go. It's hot. It's done.